This involves traditional practices such as the gathering of the shrubs by energetic young men who pay homage to the monarchy. It is very important solemnly prayer for Emaswati and is joined by everyone. The other important cultural event we have is the celebration of our women through the Marula Festival, where women across the country deliver the Marula brood and a variety of gifts to Her Majesty the Indovgazi in a song and dance. These events continue to grow each year as the number of Emaswati participants is overwhelming and have become significant tourist attraction ceremonies. We have also witnessed how such celebrations are not only contributing to the preservation of our national identity, they present an indirect and critical economic benefit through tourism. This has an enormous potential to earn foreign revenue for the country. The number of tourists who come from far and wide to witness our cultural display is also growing each year. Each of our countries undoubtedly aspires to have a thriving economy that enables the government to address the needs of its citizens, including job creation, improved infrastructure, and high-quality service delivery, amongst others. In Eswatini, initiatives like the traditional Mahia attire project use naturally dyes and modern techniques to preserve our textiles, ensuring our culture remains relevant. We must continue such efforts, documenting our practices to safeguard them for future generations. While Umhlanga sees our young women take center stage here at Dubai, it is the chiefs whom perform with royal splendor under your Majesty's guardians, uniting the community in a shared celebration. Both events bind our people to their roots, ensuring our heritage strives for generations. Like your Dubai, our cultural ceremonies are vibrant displays of unity and identity passed down from our ancestors. They are a celebration of culture preserved through the ages, now entrusted to us to vigorously pass it on to our children. In a world of competing foreign influences, we must hold fast to these traditions, ensuring they remain the heartbeat of our identity. Yesterday, we were taken on a tour of the Manhia Palace Museum, where we learned of the deep history of the monarchy and its people. This is crucial exercise to help keep the story of our existence alive and safeguard sacred emblems for the benefit of future generations. However, preservation alone is not enough. We must modernize and document our cultures to strengthen their roles in governance and administration. Our laws must be rooted in our traditions, not superimposed foreign ideals. By codifying our customs, we ensure they are recognized global and serve as a tools for good governance. In Eswatini, we strive to blend tradition with progress. Much like the Asante Kingdom's remarkable local government structure for service delivery, which I had the privilege of learning about yesterday. The Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly's integration of traditional leadership into modern administration is a model of how culture can enhance effective governance, ensuring services reach our people while honoring our heritage. Your Majesty, the Asante and Eswatini shared a proud history of resilience against colonial shadows. Your golden stool was never surrendered, and it echoes our unyielding spirit. Just as you gather to honor the Asantehene, our people rally around the Ingwenyama to celebrate our shared destiny. Today we stand united in our duty to preserve our cultures, not as relics, but as living forces guiding our future. Now that we have experienced the full splendor of your wonderful culture, we take this opportunity to extend an invitation to His Majesty to join Eswatini for any of one of our national cultural celebrations. We have no doubt that the experience shared with us will be well reciprocated. May we once again extend our deepest gratitude for this extraordinary event. Your Majesty, your visionary leadership is a beacon for African traditional rulers. May the golden stool continue to shine, and may Asantehene and Eswatini walk hand in hand, preserving our heritage, modernizing our traditions, and building a future where our children proudly carry our culture forward. I thank you. May Almighty God bless us all. Siyabonga.